While our pork is only going to take a few minutes to saute, our marinade, we want it to sit in our marinade for about an hour, so we're going to start with that first. And the one fresh ingredient that we're going to have is cilantro, so I'm going to go ahead and chop that one first. So I'm going to use the middle of the knife to cut through, to cut up all the stems, and to break up the leaves. And then after I go over it a couple of times, so I have most of the big pieces broken up, I'm going to use my left hand to put it right here on the knife, and I'm going to use the back end of the knife to cut. And this is one of the faster ways if you're cutting whatever herb, parsley or cilantro. It's the fastest way to do it, and also one of the quietest ways. And you keep bringing the sides after you cut them back in together, because the leaves will have a tendency to break off from the rest.